We talked about the problems, but now we're going to talk about something else, and I'm going to need a helper. And I usually ask for a volunteer, but I have nominated my friend Blair for this. So Blair, come on and join us on stage. Give her a round of applause, everybody. All right, here's the deal. I invited Blair. Hello, Blair. How are you? Good to see you. I invited Blair on here because I know her, and I know that she is strong enough, smart enough, fast enough, and has the emotional balance to lead our village here. We are all a village, okay? This is why I invited her up here. And as a village, what we need every day is for our fearless leader, our hero, to go to the reservoir and get water for our village so that we can drink it, okay? Here's what you're gonna do, Blair.
Do I get a cape?
You do not get a cape. Real superheroes don't wear capes.
Just flannel shirts.
Just flannel shirts, that's a good one. All right, so you're gonna start here at the edge of the stage. Come, edge of the stage. Fearless leaders also pay attention. And I want you to hold this, and we need this water so we can survive. And I just want you to just wait to walk it to the other side of the stage, and that is going to represent you going to the reservoir and bringing us back our water for the day, okay? Just walk to the other edge and meet me back in the middle. Be careful. We need that water to live. Oh, she's showboating now, okay? Real heroes don't showboat. All right, so let's give just a snapping round of applause. Guys, yes. Small round of applause because she does this every day, okay? Now let's make it a little more interesting. Blair, go back to where the reservoir is. I'll let you guys see what's going on here. Let me come close to her. Yeah. Situation's different now. There's been a drought for a month. Oh, we're about to die, all of us. It just rained last night, but it's stopped and it's going to evaporate quickly. So we need every drop of this water, or we're all going to die. And we got to send Blair to go get it right now. And if Blair spills one drop, the whole village is gone. No pressure. Can you hear?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's close. I'm even shaking. So don't go yet. Just be careful. Oh my gosh. Wait. Don't go yet, Blair. Because if you rush things, who knows what will happen? Somebody said, yeah. Straight line, let's stay between these two blocks, okay? Now slowly, carefully, take it, do not spill it. Oh my God, it's about to spill. You guys are about to die, holy crap. Oh God, be careful, Blair. Oh my God, that was so close. Big round of applause. All of you should thank her because you're now alive. Now you can take a sip. Okay, don't go anywhere, Blair. Credit where credit is due. I borrowed that bit from Alan Alda. If you are a boomer, you may know him from MASH. If you're a millennial like me, maybe 30 Rock. He's an actor, but a hilarious actor. What most people don't know about Alan Alda is he's a science nerd, and for decades he's worked with scientists to get them to understand how to communicate their findings to normal people like us. And he wrote this amazing book called If I Understood You, Would I Have This Look on My Face? And it's about helping scientists explain their findings because they can't do it. So, as a thank you to Blair for saving the whole village, she gets a copy of this book. Which is not signed by Alan Alda, but it is signed by me. So, thank you. So, let's dissect it. The first one was technically a story. There was an identifiable character. There was a goal. There was a beginning. There was a problem. There was a beginning and a middle and an end. But it was pretty boring, right? Look at the difference when there are obstacles and stakes. See, the goals are important to the journey because that's what the hero has to gain, what they want to achieve. But the stakes, which are often overlooked and neglected, are equally as important because that's what the hero has to lose. That is so important for us to care about a story because why do I care about this person's story? What's at risk? What do they have to lose? This is what makes us empathize with the character. Empathy is that key to building the connection.